Today we're diving into Boosteroid, a cloud gaming service that promises to deliver high quality gaming without the need for expensive hardware. But is it really worth your time and money? Let's break it down. Boosteroid allows you to stream games directly to your device, meaning you can play demanding titles without needing a gaming PC or console. It supports a wide range of platforms, including Windows, macOS, and even mobile devices, which is a nice touch for gamers on the go. The interface feels user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through your library and find your favorite games. One immediate standout is the variety of games available, including popular titles from Steam and Epic Games. However, the experience can be a mixed bag. While some users rave about the smooth gameplay, others mention lag issues, especially during peak times. It's also worth noting that the service requires a stable internet connection, which might be a deal breaker for those in areas with unreliable service. Overall, it's designed for gamers who want flexibility without the upfront costs of gaming hardware, but the streaming quality can vary. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Boosteroid offers an extensive game library and the convenience of cloud gaming. It's perfect for casual gamers who don't want to invest in expensive equipment. The user interface is also intuitive, making it easy to jump into games. However, there are some frustrations. The streaming quality can be inconsistent, with reports of lag and buffering, particularly during busy hours. Additionally, some users have expressed concerns about customer support, citing slow response times. Pricing can also be a grey area. While it's cheaper than buying a gaming rig, the monthly fees can add up if you're not gaming regularly. It may not be suitable for hardcore gamers who demand top-notch performance. In conclusion, Boosteroid is a solid option for casual gamers looking for a flexible gaming solution without hefty hardware costs. However, if you're a serious gamer who values performance and reliability, you might want to explore other options. It's worth trying if you fit the casual gamer profile, but manage your expectations around streaming quality.